YouTube? D4G here. I'm very excited to see what this one. Now I wouldn't say a clone. Nah, fam, hold on. This might be a clone, bro. Hold up. The hell? What up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey man, I'm excited. Today I got two new fragrances that I'm bringing out to y'all. And before I even present them, I gotta give a shout out to my guy Daryl, man. Daryl really put me on to Essenza. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a website, another website wholesaler that sells fragrances. And when he sent me the link, they actually had a sale on these two fragrances for under 20 bucks. So the two fragrances that I'm bringing out today is gonna be Marjon Silver from Armaf, and then the big boy that we really unboxing is gonna be Imperium from Fragrance World. And this is supposed to be their Roja ELYSIUM clone. I'm very excited to see what this one is. If you're new, welcome, man. And you already know, if you one of my A1 since day ones, salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you. Man, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna do Marjon Silver first. We're gonna see what this one is. Box is very plain, man. It's just a box, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Come on now, dog.
See, I don't even care that much because I dropped it. Just a box, man. Let's go ahead and open this up. Hey, but this bottle though, hold up. This bottle, fam, hey, this is a very nice looking bottle, man. I'm rocking with this heavy. Okay, let's see what we get. Y'all already know what the deal is, man. Every time, Middle Eastern, spray that shit up. Every time, Middle Eastern, just spray it. There we go. Man, let me get this shit on the strip real quick. Let me get this on the strip real quick. Now, I wouldn't say a clone. Nah, fam, hold on. This might be a clone, bro. Hold up. Okay, there's one fragrance that come into mind off the top. But it is a little synthetic. I'm telling you right now, this bitch is synthetic in the opening. It does have a little bit of harshness to it. Not too much, but it's some harshness. But this is, what is coming off to me is Bleu de Chanel. And I'm kind of confused because our mouth already got like 3 or 4 Bleu de Chanel clones that I already have. So I'm kind of surprised that that's what this one is as well. But for $15, I'm not complaining. Some lemon, a little bit of ginger, and honestly that lemon might have been what was giving off that harshness in the opening. But yeah, I'm getting a nice Bleu de Chanel vibe. Now I can't say the EDT or the EDP. I'm leaning more so towards the EDT. Very nice, man. Bleu de Chanel vibes, man. Not bad. If you're trying to get a Bleu de Chanel clone, this might be one worth picking up, especially if you can get it for $16 like I did. Not too bad. I'm gonna let that one dry down for a second, and we really gonna get into the big boy of the group. Now, this one I've had my eye on for a while, but I've always seen it at like $40, $50, and I didn't think that it was worth that, if I'm being honest. But for $16, because that's what this one was worth, sheesh, Lord have mercy. Boy, nice bottle. Very nice bottle. Very nice bottle, man. I'm telling you, gold looks amazing on a lot of shit. It just goes with a lot of stuff. The hell? Oh Lord have mercy. This cheap ass cap. Bruh, come on. You know what? I ain't tripping. You can't spray a cap. I'm gonna calm down. You can't spray a cap. But what you can spray is this juice. I don't get nothing, but hey, bro, I'm eager about this. I'm excited about this. I've been trying to get this one for a while, fam. Y'all don't even understand. Look at the atomizer. Not that bad. It gives us nice sprays with it. I'm rocking with that. Now again, this is supposed to be cloning ELYSIUM by Roja Dub. Let's really see how this one's coming off. All right, bro, I'm telling you right now, this one is strong in the synthetic. Alcohol central. This one's high as hell. No, I'm not gonna lie. This one's way more alcohol synthetic feeling than what I was getting from the Armaf Marjon. This one's a lot more, so I'm a little upset about that. I was expecting this bitch to be smooth. All right, fam, I'm getting two things. I'm getting a little bit of citrus and a little bit of spice. Smells like a grapefruit bergamot combo going up top. Those spices, I don't know what the hell those spices are yet. I'm pretty sure that's like a black pepper spice that's going in there. So we're gonna let this one dry down for a little bit, and we're gonna go back to the Armaf Marjon, and we're gonna see what that one's going on, bruh. Hey, this is Bleu de Chanel, fam. This is Bleu de Chanel. Definitely Bleu de Chanel. Ginger, some lemon in the opening. I'm rocking with Marjon. Hey, if you trying to get a Blue Day Chanel clone, this is another one that I don't think you can go wrong with, man. Very nice, man. For under $20, I'm rocking with the Armagh Heavy, and then going back to Imperium. It's going more into like a clean smell. Very clean, still a little bit of that pepper note in there, still a little bit of that spice, but very clean with a nice citrus heavy up top. This was not what I was expecting, but again, it's not bad. I'm gonna have to spend some time with this one for sure to be able to break it down and let y'all know what all it has in it. But to me, both of these are big dubs in my collection. Big dubs. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G truly blessed. That's it. Oh, great. Yes. We out.